Introducing yourself, mastering English greetings for every situation. Hello, language learners. Welcome to today's video where we are going to dive into the world of English introductions. We will teach you how to confidently introduce yourself in various situations, whether you're meeting a new friend, attending a job interview, or greeting your teacher for the first time. Remember, first impressions count, so let's get started. Meeting new friends or striking up a conversation with a stranger requires a casual introduction. Keep it light, friendly, and remember, a smile goes a long way. 1. Say your name. Hi. I'm. Your name. Or, hello. My name is. Your name. 2. You might want to ask for their name. What's your name? Or, and you are? Remember to use a friendly tone. 3. Depending on the situation, you might share a bit more about yourself, like where you're from or what you do for fun. I'm from your city or country. Or, I enjoy your hobby. Whether you're at a job interview, meeting your boss, or speaking in a formal gathering, you'll need a more formal introduction. Here's how. 1. Start with a formal greeting like, good morning, afternoon, evening. My name is. Your name. 2. You can then share your professional role or affiliation. I am a. And, your profession. Or, I work for, at, your company or institution. 3. Don't forget to express your pleasure at meeting them. It's a pleasure to meet you. Whether you're a student introducing yourself to a teacher or a fellow student, keep it simple and polite. 1. Start with, hello. My name is. Your name. 2. Share your academic background or purpose. I am studying, your major, or, I am here to learn about, your interest. 3. You might want to mention your goals or aspirations. I hope to, your future goal. A great way to learn is by practicing these introductions in role-play scenarios. Try these. 1. Pretend you're at a party and you're meeting new people. Practice the casual introduction. 2. Imagine you're at a job interview. Practice the formal introduction. 3. Visualize yourself on the first day of a new class. Practice the educational setting introduction. Remember, the key to mastering these introductions is to practice, practice, practice. Well, that's a wrap on how to introduce yourself in English for various situations. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, first impressions are important, and knowing how to introduce yourself correctly can make all the difference. Keep practicing and don't forget to use a friendly smile. It's a universal language. Until next time, happy learning!